A major announcement from the White House has placed India-US relations in the global spotlight. The United States says India has committed to stop purchasing Russian oil and has agreed to massive $500 billion investment in the American economy. The White House has described this as a major trade win for the US. This announcement comes at a time of rising global tension over energy, trade and tariffs. India and the United States have been engaged in intense negotiation for weeks, and the latest deal signals a sharp shift in economic and energy partnership between the two countries. The details were shared by White House Press Secretary Karoline Leavitt on Tuesday, February 3, 2023. She said, President Donald Trump spoke directly with Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and two leaders had a productive phone call that led to the finalization of the trade agreement. According to Leavitt, India has agreed to no longer buy Russian oil and will instead purchase oil from the United States and possibly from Venezuela. She said this move will directly benefit the American economy and strengthen US energy exports. Along with the oil decision, Prime Minister Narendra Modi committed to $500 billion worth of investment in the United States. These investments will focus on energy, transportation and agricultural sector, making it one of the largest economic commitment announced between the two nations. The trade deal also brings major tariff relief. The US will reduce tariff on Indian goods to 18%, while American exports to India will face 0% tariffs. Earlier, the Trump administration had imposed tariffs to up to 50%, including penalties linked to India's purchase of Russian oil. President Donald Trump said Prime Minister Modi agreed to strongly support American, including large purchasing of US energy and agricultural projects. Prime Minister Modi welcomed the tariff reduction, calling it good news for Made in India products, and said stronger India-US cooperation benefits both countries. However, with oil, tariffs and massive investment tied together, the India-US deal marks a significant shift in global trade and energy politics. How this agreement impacts India's economy and foreign policy will be closely watched in the days ahead.